At 11:45, the steady state siren, or the steady state siren, which you customarily hear, will be initiated. It'll run for about 50 seconds, and the function of that siren is basically when you hear it, you're supposed to turn on your radio to listen for whatever message that we put out, so you can respond to whether it's a tsunami, earthquake, whatever the hazard is. Then that'll be followed by a pause, 10 to 15 seconds pause, and then they'll run the wailing tone siren, which is to signify an attack. The instructions on that one are for you to take immediate cover, seek shelter immediately, and that will run for about 50 seconds, to a minute.